So today is day 4 in Madrid, Spain, and it is a nice, cool, and brisk morning or afternoon for us because we actually got out of the house a little late today. Well, actually, not late for us, but late by their time. And we are heading to La Latina Market this morning. So La Latina is a market like where they set up with the different tents. You know I love markets, so I cannot wait to get there. So we have made it to La Latina, open market, pop-up market I would say, and they have lots and lots of variety when it comes to food and clothes. Huh? That is a nice jacket. Oh, that green one? Yes, what Riri? Okay, so we are now going into Mercado San Antonio. There's another marketplace here in Madrid. It is multi-level. We're doing some sampling here at the Mercado San Antonio. So we're here at the market, but we got here a little too late because we were still exploring Madrid. However, we're still here. There are still a few places that are still open, and we're going to the rooftop. We are now at the rooftop restaurant. I mean, packed. So after running to our gate, we did make it and spare about 15 minutes. They had already started boarding. So note to self and note to those who are watching, make sure you do 3 to 4 hours ahead of time when you are traveling international. Okay?